Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to rotate pages in a PDF document. We have a PDF document where few pages are upside down. To fix that, open your favorite browser. Go to smallpdf.com. Click on Explore all PDF tools icon. Click on Rotate PDF icon. Click on Choose Files, or you can drag and drop the PDF file here. Select the PDF file you want to rotate. Click Open. All the pages on this document is shown here. Hover your mouse on the page you want to rotate. When you hover your mouse on the page, rotate icon appears at the top. Select left or right as per your requirement. Similarly, rotate other pages as well. When you are happy with the changes, click on Apply Changes. Click on the Download button and select Save to Device from the drop-down menu. Once the download is complete, click on the arrow next to the file and click on Show in Folder. As you can see, all the pages are properly oriented now. This is how you can rotate pages in a PDF document. Thank you for watching.